Blogs are a place to post entries that your instructor and your classmates can read and comment on. However, blogs are different from discussion boards, as comments are secondary and only blog posts are automatically tracked for grading. To start a blog entry, make sure to navigate yourself to where your instructor keeps a blog link. This might be a link on the course menu on the left-hand side, or on the course homepage. Click on the title of the link, then on the title of the specific blog. This will pull up your instructions and index, and any previous blog entries that your classmates might have already posted. In my case, it is currently empty. To create an entry, click Create Blog Entry in the top left. Title your assignment. In this case, I will put Topic 4. Then I will upload a file by clicking Browse My Computer and selecting the file. Please note that blog entries usually require some sort of text in the content editor, as to allow students and instructors to easily view the content instead of having to download it. When you're ready to submit, click Post. You can also save as a draft if you want to save your response but aren't ready to officially submit it. When going back to the blog page, you will see your submitted work and any text you have typed out. You can comment on your own post or even classmates' posts. Notice that on the right-hand side, you have an index. This will show all the entries you or others have posted, and you can view these entries by clicking on them. If you cannot see the blog link, check your syllabus or contact your instructor. Thank you.